Hi, I'm Allie Gill,
And I'm Jason Gill.
and we're Norwex Independent Sales Consultants. Today we're going to show you some options for dusting. The first one I want to show you, and Jason's going to demo, is our Enviro Wand. And the Enviro Wand is actually very bendable, and you can bend it into different configurations to meet your needs. One of the most popular ways to bend it is to fit over ceiling fans. So the fan blade will actually slide right through there, and so you can dust there, and then you can bend it the other way so that you can just kind of, bend over like that, and you can get the tops of your fan blades, and you can get the tops of your cabinets, tops of your refrigerator, when it's bent like that, and then you can do it straight like this to get inside your dryer vent, and it will actually get some of that lint out that falls off of your lint trap, and so that's a really good thing. If you take off the bottom of your handle and you actually have a Norwex mop, you can attach the Enviro Wand to your mop handle and get really high to reach places. People that have ceilings that are vaulted, or maybe an entry lamp, one of the light fixtures that's really high up, this will do the trick for you. And you can do the same configurations, of course, with the Enviro Wand, but that helps get this really hard to reach places. Some other options that we have, of course, I showed this earlier in the other video, but we have the dusting mitt, and we actually have 3 different colors available for the adult mitt. This is the green. This is a new color. It's the graphite dusting mitt, and then the blue dusting mitt. And just use the statically charged, and that'll pick up all of your dust when you go over the surfaces, and you can grip the surface. You can get several things in one. And then if your children like to help, as ours do, they make a children's dusting mitt that fits their hand. My children love to get the baseboards, which is a huge help. It's on their level, and they are being a huge help to mommy and daddy, and they know that. And so this is a great way for them to help with something that fits them properly. So the rubber brush comes in handy, especially when cleaning. I like to think of these as little fingers. The dust gets trapped in there, and so just do this over the trash can and right into the trash can, and it will knock all the dust and debris off, and then you can keep on using that over and over until you're ready to wash your Norwex, and you can toss that in. This actually comes off, slides off, and replacement sleeves are available, so it just pulls right off, and then you can slide on a new one when you're ready, or just when this one's clean. So thank you so much.